Java as a language is actually pretty easy, compared to other languages. Learning software development in general is a fairly daunting task. There's a lot of stuff that's sort of around and above the language. Java is actually particularly easy and straightforward to teach as a first programming language. There are a lot of books about it. There are a lot of interesting tools. There are things like the BlueJ programming environment that comes along with a textbook. That's really a great way to learn Java. And when I've watched people go through the sort of learning Java process, if there are people who have never done any programming before, it's actually pretty easy. The hard nut for most people is understanding what object-oriented programming is all about. And it's pretty easy to explain object-oriented programming to people who've never programmed before, because it's kind of like dealing with objects in the world around you. But if people have already learned how to program COBOL, it's kind of strange, and they're, in their head they're trying to map COBOL onto Java, and that can be hard. But in general, it's pretty easy to learn.